Hey WordPress wizards, Andrea here. And if you have ever struggled with endless client revisions, unclear feedback, or deployment disasters, you're not alone. But what if I told you there is a better way to handle all of this? Today we're diving into how staging sites have revolutionized client approvals and feedback processes for WordPress developers. But before we jump in, let's set the scene a little bit. Picture this: you have spent weeks on a website crafting a beautiful website for your client, but when the time comes to present it, the client is confused or they bombard you with revision requests that seem to never end. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In fact, 60% of WordPress projects exceed initial timelines, often due to delays in client approvals or post-launch fixes. But that's where staging sites come to rescue. They provide a seamless way to bridge the gap between developers and clients. So what exactly is a staging site? So a staging site is essentially a replica of your live site. It's a safe and a private environment and where you can test changes, updates, or new features before they go live. In fact, staging sites are a must-have for WordPress developers. And I'll back up this with some hard facts and real-world data. 30% of live site crashes are caused by untested plugins or themes. With a staging site, you eliminate this risk. As simple as that. You can safely test plugins, themes, or custom code without impacting the live site. And this means no downtime and no panicked phone calls from your clients. There's also the streamlined client approvals. So here's the fact that might surprise you. Agencies that use staging sites report a 40% reduction in approval timeline. Why? Because clients can interact with a fully functional preview of the site. They can see, they can click around, and also provide real-time feedback. And there's no more guessing what they want from vague emails or static screenshots. According to a survey by WP Engine, staging sites speed up project completion by 25% on average. Instead of spending hours fixing post-launch issues, you catch and resolve them early in a controlled environment. It is absolutely a total game changer for productivity. Also, let's not overlook security. Staging sites are private and can be password protected. So that means that your unfinished work stays hidden from search engines and competitors until it's ready to go live. Now that we have covered the why, let's dive into the how. And here's how you can integrate staging sites seamlessly into your workflow. And the good news, tools like InstaWP make setting up a staging site a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can spin up a site that mirrors your live environment perfectly. No complex setups, no wasted time, just instant results. And once your staging site is ready, you can share the link with your client. They can explore the site, leave feedback, and even test functionality. Did you know that 72% of clients prefer interactive previews over static mockups? This approach builds trust and makes the approval process so much smoother. After the client gives the green light, you can deploy your changes to the live site with confidence. Let me share a quick story. So Sarah, an independent WordPress developer, was working on a high-stakes e-commerce project. By using staging sites, she reduced deployment errors by 95% and completed the project 2 weeks ahead of the schedule. And Sarah told us, "I cannot imagine working without staging sites anymore. They have completely changed the game for her." And now probably you are wondering, isn't this just an extra step? Do I really need it? And here's the truth. The smaller amount of time that you invest in setting up a staging site can save you hours and sometimes days of troubleshooting and revisions down the line. It is not an extra step. It's the step that makes everything else easier. I promise you that. So if you are ready to streamline your work and reclaim those precious hours, give InstaWP a try. Use the exclusive code YouTube50 to get 50% off your monthly plan for 6 months. It's the perfect opportunity to experience the magic of staging sites firsthand. So to sum it up, staging sites aren't just a nice to have. They're essential for developers and freelancers who want to deliver flawless projects, faster approvals, and happier clients. And with InstaWP, setting up a staging site is as easy as pie. If you have found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used staging sites before? How have they transformed your workflow? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy developing.